Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can remind yourself of tasks you want to complete by a certain date. You can look at your notes in the to-do list at any time, or you can use the reminders list to see the notes whose dates are due. To create a new to-do note, select Company, To-Do List from the menu bar. Click the To-Do drop-down button in the lower left corner of the list window and choose the New To-Do command from the pop-up menu that appears. In the Add To-Do window, select the type of to-do note you want to create from the Type drop-down. Select the priority from the Priority drop-down. If the task requires the presence of another individual, check the With checkbox and then use the drop-down below that to select the type of individual. This can be either a lead, customer, vendor, or employee. Then use the Next drop-down to choose the name of the specific individual required. Enter the date that the note is due by selecting a date from the Due field. To specify a time, check the Time checkbox and enter a time into the adjacent fields. You must enter detailed notes about the to-do item into the Details field. Then select the status of the note by choosing one from the Status drop-down. When finished, click the OK button to add the note to your to-do list. When you complete a to-do note, you can double-click its entry within the to-do list window to open the Edit To-Do window. Then select Done from the Status drop-down and click the OK button. The note will then appear within the to-do list window with a check mark in the far left Done column. To delete a note from the list, click its name within the to-do list window. Then click the To-Do drop-down button and choose the Delete Selected To-Do command. Then click the OK button.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.